Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about Salesforce Einstein Artificial Intelligence. Salesforce is one of all the earliest adopters of artificial intelligence capabilities and technology, and it is one of all the primary CRM vendors to possess artificial intelligence capabilities. Salesforce Einstein is powered by deep learning, predictive analytics, linguistic communication processing, machine learning, and smart data discovery. This intelligence component of Einstein is now embedded into the business context by predicting the future behavior, discovering relevant insights, and even automating the tasks. So let's look at where all Salesforce Einstein has been deployed. The first one is Sales Cloud Einstein. It helps you to sell your products in a smart way by making prudent predictions and suggestions about your products. Sales teams during this regard follow scripts, and campaigns are broadcast to their prospects without much regard for individualized preferences. They interact with the purchasers and use it to develop product blueprints. They will forecast which leads will communicate with customers. They will also predict which customer shall become a loyal consumer of the service or the products. If, however, an opening is a separation, then they will convince the concerned person to induce back on the right track. Now, the second one is Service Cloud Einstein. Contact centers can get customer insights in real time to grant excellent customer service experience. So the first one is Einstein Supervisor. By combining the prudent data discovery and operational insights in real time, managers are empowered by Salesforce Einstein Supervisor with real-time data like quiz and wait times and agent availability, which enables them to pursue smarter actions. It can even predict the satisfaction of shoppers and make particular recommendations to reinforce customer experience. So the second one is Einstein Case Management. Cases are evaluated and classified once they come, using machine learning, knowledge articles, or informative videos which are required to unravel cases are made available to agents, saving valuable time. The next one is Intelligent Mobile Service. With a service app on Android and iOS mobile, employees of an organization can deliver personalized service to customers. Marketing Cloud Einstein. It is want to create market journeys which will be predicted. It delivers relevant content on a suitable channel to the correct audience at the desired time. Marketers can make use of predictive scores, that is, the process enables us to estimate how a customer engages with an email or makes an internet purchase. Marketing firms can get to understand what the factor is for true engagement, which might cause better anticipation of customer needs. The next one is Predictive Audiences, which enhances the marketers can build audience groups that show common behavior. This can be helpful in the effective engagement of shoppers. Again, Salesforce Predictive Intelligence is predicted on artificial intelligence technology. So another one is Automated Send Time Optimization. Marketers using this feature are ready to optimally increase their return on investment in email marketing by delivering the message within the exact time at which the shoppers are presumably to have interaction with it. The next one is Community Cloud Einstein. Finding resource members is straightforward with this feature, as there are automatic suggestions of groups, needs, relevant experts, and behavior from social activities. By sorting out and promoting the popular content, members are kept engaged within the community. Certified experts will be found by the community members who can answer these questions faster. For each customer, an optimal community will be created by Salesforce Einstein. Customers get those content that they are trying to find, and this can be a singular feature of Salesforce Einstein. By highlighting the foremost relevant content for a subject, useful information is delivered to every user. The next one is Analytics Cloud Einstein. This is want to find hidden data insights. The most effective sales, marketing or service activities are derived by finding the patterns in your data. The last one is App Cloud Einstein. In every stage of the building process of an app, you will be able to embed intelligence. This has given rise to make predictive apps for both employees and customers. You will be able to rapidly build AI-powered apps which possess the feature of image recognition. Suitable for various use cases, these apps use pre-trained classifiers or otherwise you can train your own classifiers. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.